Hey, this is Mike from Jane and Reviews, and I'm doing this sponsored video today by Gufino. So thank you for the sample. This is really nice. This is a bilingual learning word ebook. So as myself being bilingual, I speak both English and Spanish. It was nice to see this. So basically, it has 150 words in English and Spanish, 10 fun quizzes to do, and 10 songs in English and Spanish. So it comes with batteries included. The batteries are here in this little box. I had a little strip. I pulled it. This little strip here. So it was here, pulled it, and then it turned on. So that's nice. Has its little speakers here that you can hear the sound from. This is the cover. So, and it also comes in this, let me show you the little box. Comes in this little very nice looking box. I really like the packaging. Shows you what's inside. Tells you what it's about. And it's for, they say it's for 3 years and older. Let me see. It also comes with a pink and a blue Sharpie, a marker, not Sharpie, just a dry erase marker and a little eraser. So I'm going to put this aside for now. Put the box over here so you can check out this. So this is the main thing. So over here, of course, it has the buttons that you press.
Hola amigo, bienvenido al mundo de Gufino.
That just says, hello world, welcome to Gufino. So then that's the on and off button. So each button does something different. So
let's learn in English.
You can learn in English.
Vamos a aprender en español.
So let's learn in Spanish. There's music.
Vamos a jugar un juego.
We're going.
Contesta la pregunta. ¿Puedes encontrarlo? F. Fruta.
So now it's saying to find the letter F, fruta, which is fruit. So this is what the book has inside. It's very nice. Has different games. This is guess the season. So this one is like a quiz. You can go over like the different words. They're in English and Spanish. So you can review them with your child, which I'm definitely going to be using this with my son because I want him to speak both English and Spanish. So I'm really looking forward to practicing this with him. This one says, "Where's my home?" So you would, match everything here. And again, more words that you can practice with. Basic words, basic picture, basically animal. This one's all about animals. So each one has like a little theme. So this one's my favorite food. So, they can color that and they can draw a little picture there, what their favorite food is, a child. Of course, you would help them with that. This one's find and color. Find the objects and then color them. And yeah, and then this one's also, I guess it says to press a button. So, yeah, so it wants you to press things. So I'll finish pressing these and then you can check them out.
Vamos a jugar un juego.
So yeah, so this one's for the music. So yeah, so it's very cool. Apologize if we're a little bit long-winded, but I wanted to go over it thoroughly. Hope you enjoy it and hope you check it out.